Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is in the healthcare field. I always say if you want to work from home in the healthcare field, now is the time to get into it. There is no better time with all the expanding of the healthcare that we've been doing in the last few years. Of course, if you're interested in applying, the links to this position are in the YouTube description box below this video. But the healthcare company Seox Health is hiring a CPC processor. Now, this is remote within the United States. Their pay range for this position is anywhere from $15 an hour all the way up to $18 an hour. Now, this is going to require some phone work and be a customer service position. They are looking for someone to work their customer service call line for medical records requests. This is a full-time position, Monday through Thursday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you're outside of that time zone, convert your hours and make sure that that works for you. They are looking for someone to process medical records requests by taking incoming calls from patients, insurance companies, or attorneys and providing a medical record status. Of course, you'll have to document the information from the phone calls and the medical records requests into multiple platforms using 2 different computer monitors, and you need to be proficient in Microsoft Office, including Word and Excel. Now, they are going to provide a comprehensive virtual training program, and then after you get through training, you will watch someone or job shadow someone that you're assigned to as your mentor. So they're going to give you complete paid training before you are turned loose on your own. The company is going to provide all the computer equipment you need, including computer, your 2 monitors, your virtual phone, all of that. They also offer full benefits, including paid time off, health, dental, vision, 401k, all of the things. Now, you do not have to have any kind of college degree. They're looking for someone who's a high school diploma or equivalent, someone who can be friendly, professional, and have good customer service skills. If you have experience with multi-line phone systems, that is needed, and someone who can be organized and have great attention to detail. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I am always reading those and keeping that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.